Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have 4 drumsticks right here. We're about to make some fried lemon pepper drumsticks. So they're already been washed, rinsed, pat dry, all that good stuff. So what we do now, we just go ahead and hit it with some lemon juice. And then we'll give it a nice seasoning. Alright, so we're gonna use 2 seasonings for this. We'll use some of this dash seasoning. That dash seasoning right there. You know, have the garlic, the herb, all that good stuff in there. And if you trying to stay away from that salt, hey, it's a place to be right here with this dash seasoning. So we'll go ahead and season that up real quick. Then we'll season with some lemon pepper seasoning. Okay. So this is the only seasoning we're gonna use. Dash and lemon pepper. Alright, so that's good right there. So now we'll come over here. Alright, we have our all-purpose flour right here. And we have our cornstarch. Alright. So I have a 1/4 cup. So we'll go ahead and just, you know, add our flour in there to cover up that chicken. Get that chicken a nice coat. So with the flour, you can just eyeball it. We just want to cover up 4 pieces of chicken. Alright, so we have that right there. And then we have our cornstarch. Boom. So we're going to go ahead and put like that much cornstarch. And we'll mix it in like that there. Now we're going to season this cornstarch and this all-purpose flour with the same seasoning. We're not going to switch up. We ain't going to change up, you know what I mean? We'll keep it 100. For real. Same thing, lemon pepper seasoning. That dash and that lemon pepper kind of look alike. They look like they could be kin to each other. Look at it. Probably could be cousins, you know what I mean? Alright, so now we'll get over here. Hold on, let's mix this in real quick. Go ahead and mix that in. Okay, that's all mixed in. And now we'll get back over here. the chicken. We're gonna mix that in. With the little seasoning we added to it. So we want that lemon taste. You know it's gonna come together. We want it to be wet. You know what I mean? We want that chicken to be kind of wet. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and put it over here like that there. You know what I mean? Just get it in there and twist it around. You know? Boom. Just like that. You know? Just coat it up real good. Alright, so there we go right there. So now we'll go ahead and put this on a nice rack, and we're gonna let that flour sit for like 7 minutes. Alright, so we have it on the rack. So we'll let this sit, let that flour go ahead and soak in. Then we're gonna start frying. Alright, so here we go right here. See how that flour just soaking that meat? Look at it. Come a little closer. Just like that. Now, we'll go ahead and put it in that oil. Like that. Oh, 4 pieces of chicken. Oh, that bad boy. Wow. Okay, so we have 8 minutes of frying. That's how it's looking right there. We want it to be nice and crispy. A nice little crisp to it, not too much of a crisp. A nice little crisp. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, say on the rack for about 2 minutes. Then we'll put it back in there. So we're gonna let it rest for 2 minutes, then we'll set it back in there. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. After 2 minutes, we let that temp come back up. So we'll go ahead and place our chicken back in there. Alright, so we have our butter in here. We can go ahead and throw it in the microwave. We also chopped up our lemon. We have our little lemon squeezer right here. So we go ahead and melt this butter. But I also want to thank my good family and friends for supporting your boy channel. I appreciate the thumbs up. That's what helps your boy channel grow. So let's keep on growing and let's grow together. So let's go ahead and throw this in the microwave. And I appreciate everybody for supporting my channel. For real. Alright, so we'll go ahead and squeeze our lemon juice. Couple seeds went in. Lemon too big to go the other way, so I have to do it this way. So what we're gonna do, we just squeezing. One more. Yeah, all them lemon seeds going in there. Okay. So we get that good lemon juice in there. Our lemon pepper. our seasoning. Boom. There we go. That's all we need to do. Let me clean up my mess. I'm gonna put it on a. We're gonna make it happen. Okay, so here we go right here. Chicken is extra crispy. Boom. Throw a little more of that lemon pepper on there. Mix it up. Boom. That's how we looking right here. I'm gonna take a nice bite of this bad boy. Mmm. Yeah, chicken. Yup. Done. Nice and crispy. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a plate. Okay, so here we go right here. We got that delicious lemon pepper drumstick, you know, fried. And that's looking, when I say it's fire, it's fire. I sit over here watching my wife, my bad, take a bite of it. And the face she made, she said, it's sour, but it's so good. I was over here cracking. But your boy made it happen in his kitchen again. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.